Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about the amazing benefits of avocados. From improving heart health to supporting healthy digestion, and even aiding in weight management, avocados are a nutritional powerhouse. Let's dive in and explore the top 10 unique benefits of avocados you need to know. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Avocados contain a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, as well as carotenoids and polyphenols, which can help protect cells from damage. 2. Heart healthy. Avocados are a good source of monounsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Avocados contain anti-inflammatory compounds, like vitamin E and polyphenols, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Supports eye health. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are important for eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 5. May aid in weight management. Avocados are low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats and fiber, making them a good choice for those trying to lose weight or maintain weight loss. 6. Supports healthy digestion. Avocados contain fiber and healthy fats that can help support digestive health and promote regular bowel movements. 7. May help lower blood pressure. Regular consumption of avocados has been linked to lower blood pressure levels due to their potassium and antioxidant content. 8. Supports healthy bones. Avocados contain several important minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for healthy bones. 9. May improve cognitive function. Avocados contain a carotenoid called beta-carotene, which has been linked to improved cognitive function and memory. 10. Supports skin health. Avocados contain vitamins A, D, and E, as well as fatty acids, which can help support healthy skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. That's it for today's video, guys. Avocados truly are a superfood that deserves a spot in your diet. Which benefit surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition content. See you in the next video.